Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to detach and reattach browser tabs on Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, you'll want to have multiple tabs open to demonstrate this feature. You can open any websites you like, just make sure you have at least 2 or 3 tabs active at the top of your browser window. This will give you tabs to work with for the detaching process. Now, locate the specific tab you want to detach from your current Chrome window. This could be any tab you're working with, maybe a video you're watching, a document you're editing, or a website you want to keep separate from your other tabs. Once you've identified which tab you want to detach, position your cursor directly on that tab at the top of the browser. Next, click on the tab you selected and hold down your mouse button. Don't release it yet, you need to keep holding it for the next step. While still holding the mouse button down, drag the tab downwards away from the tab bar. You'll notice the tab starts to move with your cursor. As you continue dragging it down, Chrome will automatically detach that tab and open it in a completely new browser window. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to view 2 tabs side by side or organize your workflow across multiple screens. Now, let's say you want to reattach that detached tab back to your original Chrome window. The process is just as simple. Click on the tab in the new window you just created and hold down your mouse button again. While holding it, drag the tab back towards your original Chrome window, specifically aiming for the tab bar area at the top. As you move the tab closer to the existing tabs, you'll see Chrome create space for it to slot back in. Once you see that space appear, release your mouse button and the tab will reattach itself to your main browser window, joining your other tabs once again. And that's it. You've now learned how to easily detach and reattach tabs in Google Chrome, giving you more flexibility in how you organize your browsing sessions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.